Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to type by talking on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to open up our Microsoft Word application. So make sure you have Microsoft Word on your Windows. And then I'm going to create new document. And if you want to type by talking on this Word document, we can press Windows and H button at the same time until this microphone appear on our screen, and we'll be able to use it to type by talking. Okay, as you can see guys, that the voice typing has been running. Okay, and if you want to stop, you can click on this button, or you can simply press Windows plus H. Okay, and I'm going to close this voice typing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to type by talking on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.